Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. This is a girl tech with Bumi. My phone got spoiled and I recently got this phone, Samsung Galaxy S22, and man, this phone is just the best. The camera, the video, in short, is just the best. Keep on watching as I give you the review of this phone. If you want to buy, the link will be in the description box. Disclaimer, a I'm affiliate with Amazon, so any of the links in my description box, Amazon, if you purchase from it, Amazon pays me a commission. So let's enjoy the view, watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, like, watch others of my videos, and subscribe. Okay, so now let's dive into the main review of this phone, and let me know in the comment section, are you going to get this phone for yourself or gift somebody? I'm a Samsung lover, so I love Samsung a lot. So with Samsung S22 Galaxy Ultra, it's your plug. Samsung's Galaxy S22 Ultra is a great overall phone that can function both as a high-end consumer smartphone or high-end business device, thanks to the integration of the S Pen. Though I found myself using the S Pen considerable less with the S22 Ultra than I ever did with the Note series. Okay, so this new device is very effective if you're a YouTuber or content creator and you're looking for a phone to use because you cannot afford a camera. Then I bet you this phone is your plug. You need this phone in your life. The camera is the pictures, taking of pictures is so amazing. Okay, as I said, I recently bought this phone. It's not up to a month, and I'm enjoying this phone. As you can see. The camera of this S22 Ultra, the quality is in large part thanks to the technology that did this phone. It's so amazing. Okay, now let's talk about the Samsung folded optical system. Has enough the focal length to deliver 10 times optimal zoom, or approximately 240 equivalent zoom compared to a 35 camera. That means that with digital enhancement, the 100 times space zoom can deliver approximately 2400 of zoom. Isn't that amazing? So if you're up on getting this phone, there's some outlets that are doing some sales. Okay, so don't miss it and check my description box to purchase yours. So enjoy the remaining view of this video, and thank you for watching. I hope you get this phone for yourself. Comment below if you like this review, and enjoy the remaining of this video. Bye for now.